There was, man, an extensive amount of research. My parents started doing it when I was 12. They kind of realized, hey, adult teeth aren't growing in, and you're still having some baby teeth. And I think my mom took me to about 10 or 12 different prosthodontists, orthodontists, dentists, and just an extensive amount of research done to see what was causing the missing teeth and what was, what could be done. And a lot of prosthodontists at the time wanted to do it when I was 12. And luckily I got in contact with a good orthodontist who said no, they're just trying to take your money, and you're gonna have to redo it when you're younger because your jaw hasn't completely developed. And so orthodontist worked with me and got me the braces to start working on it. And in that time I was able to actually meet with Dr. Dawson, and he looked at my case, said he was excited to work on it. And from then, just took almost, I think when I turned 21, started braces, got done with everything, and took about maybe 4 years after that to be fully done. But it was some extensive research, and to doing it with Dr. Dawson, he was the most comfortable with the situation, and he had done it many times. And he made sure the steps and every plan that we took, working with the orthodontist to make sure the steps were taken correctly to pursue that vision that he had, and answered all the questions that I had, dumbed it down to make sure I understood it and anybody else could understand it. But he just did a great job of making sure that you're comfortable with what he was doing, making sure that the final steps to get to that point were what you wanted. And he's just a perfectionist. He even to the minute millimeter of your teeth being a certain way, he was like, nope, we're gonna keep it a little bit longer, but it's gonna be great. And so he just was always was a perfectionist, but also made sure that you were comfortable with what his plan was going forward.